bang may tent na ginagamit? For this example po na accident, yung for the designer, madali din po ba siyang ma-ident na maibalik in the same structure niya?
Actually, yung question about damage, yung stress ng material rather than the metal, superior yung composite.
If ever, my question is if there is an accident.
Hindi siya nagpipipili.
Hindi siya napipili.
Ano yun, nabubutas?
Nag-reflex. Dali bumalik. Pero pag severe impact, they might create cracks. Pero repairable. Mas
That's
easy to
the
repair.
difference.
Tapos lighter pa yung task na gagawin mo. Asa minutes lang repair na siya. Hindi mo kailangan magatay ng araw.
Okay, thank you.
And it doesn't rust.
That's brass.
For 15 prototype, how about if there is an interesting do you have a collaboration or adapter of this project outside Taguig? Meron na po bang nagpakita ng interest for this new administration?
Okay, so since this activity is basically for field testing yet, we are doing meron po maraming step no before we will really go on commercialization. So at this point, we are getting information on the actual application of our product. So that is why we are giving away 15 units for this tricycle driver to actually use it and provide us the data on its performance. And if there are any innovation that we need to do, we are going to conduct innovation until we can really perfect the design and of the trike ni Juan. So ito po yung, and then after that, then we will be able to really find collaborators to commercialize it. But since there are many interested companies or who wants to collaborate with us, then we need to finish first our field testing activity.
Regarding sa price, wala pa kami yung complete na barrier for the price kasi under development pa nga yung na yan. So, ayan ang conclude ng price. Kasi may hindi pa namin na-complete mo yung material. Tsaka yung completed product na sasabitan sa public. So, for now, yun muna. Yung group muna na mag-recycle yung medyo complete na.
And through automation of some of the processing technology, we can lower the price.